Okay, so for this assignment, you'll be analyzing good photograph. So first of all, you'll have to Google good photograph, and you'll find all these images from Google, and just pick one. Then I'm going to work with this image here. So just right click on it, save the image as. Uh, you notice that I'm working on a Mac computer, so it might look different. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to save the image under mod2 folder. Okay, so mod2 folder, make a new folder. Say title it analyze good photograph. Okay, or assignment one. That's totally fine, as long as you can find it. Okay. Create that and save all your images that you're going to analyze within this folder. Okay, so save that. Then from here, you're going to have to edit this document. So go to File and make a copy if you haven't already done so, right? So if you go down, this is what we'll be doing. So we're drawing rule of third guideline on top of an image. So this means that you need to draw some kind of shape on top of the photograph. But the Google Doc, it doesn't allow you to do that. It will just overlay this shape on top of an image instead of above the image instead of on top of the image. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to do that. Go to your table, the first one. So this one just wants you to place a photograph. So you can just do that by copy pasting from this image to here. Okay, or you can go insert image and choose an image to upload. Okay, or and then from the second one, so you need to draw a rule of third guideline on the photograph. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go insert and go to drawing. Okay, go to drawing, then it will load up this little panel here. You can think of this as like a paint program in Windows. Okay, it's very simple to use. Click on image because you want to insert your image. Find your image. So I have this, there's two. Okay, uploading, and you'll see that this image has been loaded into the document. So now you can use these shapes to draw on top of this. So for rule of third, just kind of guess where the line might be and make sure you're drawing a straight line. If you hold down shift, it's going to help you to draw a straight line. Okay, if you're not sure, um, okay. So you do that and make sure the color of the line is contrasting to the background of the color. So for myself, I'm going to use red because red is very contrasting to blue in the background. So change that color by clicking on here. Then you can change the line weight, make it thicker so that it will be easy to view. Okay. So now you can just click this. I'm clicking Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Okay, and you can just put it at the other third. Okay, you can do this for same thing for finding the focal point of the image. So where does your eye become drawn to? Okay, so for that, I suggest you to draw a circle. Of different color. Okay, so here's my rule third here guideline. If it looks good, you're just gonna save and close. Okay, you'll see that it's loaded. Then second image, you see that how I've drawn focal point on top of the rule third that's already drawn. So this is what you're going to do. You're just gonna copy. Okay, I press Control C again and go to the third question, paste. Okay, and now you have duplicate of it. Then when you click on this image, it will give you an option to edit. Okay, so if you go into edit, you'll be able to edit the same image. You can move around the lines if you want to, and add on more shape. So I'm going to use circle for the focal point. So this area here where there's a lot of light is drawing my eye to the photograph. So I'm just gonna draw a circle around this area, and you see when I drew a circle it has a fill and I can't see picture behind the shape, you're just going to click on the fill, the little paint bucket tool here, make it transparent, okay? And again, make it a different color, something vibrant, okay? And make it thicker, okay? So here's one circle here. I'm going to copy paste again, move this guy down to the boat because the boat is also another focal point of this photograph. So the overall focal point would be around this area, but I chose to put two circles because these are two different objects. Okay, light is one object and the boat is another object. Okay, so these are two focal points, and there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know.